Having great insights is vital to growing your business. Perhaps you want to launch a new piece of innovation and you want to understand consumer insights to build a better product. Perhaps you want to create great marketing and communication of why your product solves your customer's problem better than any of the competition. But when people ask me, well, how do I know if I have a good insight? I always teach them about the 3 W's. W number 1, do you understand what the customer is currently doing? Do you have data or an observation about how they are behaving or what problem they have? Or do you understand the dilemma that they're facing, a barrier, a trade-off, a compromise they're being required to make? We need W number 1, what, an observation, as the building block of the rest of our insight. Then the second W in our 3 W's is why. Do you understand why they are behaving in the way they are? Why they need to do the thing they are doing? Why they have the problem that they currently have? Do you understand the motivation behind that observation? Because the better you understand why they are behaving in the way they are, the more you can solve that problem appropriately. And then number 3 in our list of 3 W's is wow. When you look at your insight, is there something new there? Is there something fresh? When a customer or consumer hears an insight, their innate reaction should be, wow, you really understand me. That's exactly what I'm thinking. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly why I'm doing it. Now, hey, how do you know that? You must really get me. You must really care about me. So there should be a wow in your insight where you are saying something that no one has ever said before, or a level of detail that no one has ever gone into before. If you look at your own communication or your own advertising or the competitor advertising and you see this insight there, then it's generic and someone's already said it before or people are already saying it, and that is a weak insight. So this little video is going to help you create the formula for good insights. It's part of a series about consumer insights and customer insights in B2B, B2C and B2B2C. So if you want to learn more about it, subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos.